science experiment demonstrating how ocean currents work. So this is a very easy experiment that you can do from home. It just uses basic household items. All you need are 2 ceramic mugs that are the same height, a glass baking dish, a candle. The candle should be like lower than your 2 ceramic mugs because they're going to go underneath the baking dish. It'll be better if you had like one of those small 1-wick candles, but I don't have one of those, so I'm going to be using this vegetable oil and dried thyme, the spice, and then a teaspoon. Alright, now that you know everything you need for this activity, I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, so you're going to pour your vegetable oil into your baking dish about halfway to 3/4 full. Now I am going to put about 2 teaspoons of my thyme into the oil. Alright, and this is your initial setup. Alright, before we continue, take a look at your mixture. There should be little or no movement because it's settled. Okay, light your candle and place it right underneath your dish in between your mugs. And just let it heat up for about a minute and then make observations and see what it does. Alright, the candle has been underneath it for about a minute. So if you look at it, you can see that there's movement. Oh, there. If you look at the thyme, you can see that the oil is rising in the middle right above the flames. And as liquid heats up, it rises and becomes less dense. And that is an energy called thermal convection. So thermal convection is the process of heat moving from one place to another for the movement of fluids. And as you can see, that is definitely happening. It's kind of moving in a little bit of a circular motion. Alright, so as you can see, the middle of the pan, right where the flame is, the oil is heating up, so it is becoming less dense as it becomes warmer. This relates to ocean currents if you compare where the flame is to the equator of the Earth, where it is warmer. The circulation here demonstrates that as the water warms at the bottom of the ocean, it rises to the surface and is pushed outward toward the poles, the north and south poles, in kind of a conveyor belt motion. This circulation creates a conveyor belt type motion of warm water rising to the top and being pushed out as the cooler water sinks to the bottom. Again, this type of energy is called thermal convection. So this is an example of how deep ocean currents happen through density changes caused by temperature changes. Take a look at that thyme. It's being pushed to the edges of the dish.